Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back. I'm back. Yeah, me. Hey. Well, now I have this 2019 Acura MDX. All right. And guess what? Look at that. You know what that means? It means that we're gonna do the oil change. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change real quick. And after that, I'm gonna show you how to reset the oil life in this vehicle also. Alright. Please remember, I'm trying to reach the 1,000,000 subscribers. Yeah, greedy like that. So help us to help me reach the 1,000,000 subscribers. Know what I'm saying? Because I do this every day. I do it. This is what I do. Know what I'm saying? This is all I know. Besides of eat, sleep, and yeah, me. Alright, so yeah, please help me reach the, my goal by subscribing to my channel. Hit the like button, destroy it. Destroy the like button. And the feedback, put it in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think. Let me know whatever you see. If you have any complaints, put it in the comment box. You know what I'm saying? And as soon as I see it, I reply. Alright, come with me. Let's do this oil change in this Acura MDX 2019. For sure. Let's do it. Boom. Hey. Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Astu is back. I'm back. I hope you like the video how to do the oil change in this 2019 Acura MDX. Alright, and now I'm gonna show you how to do the oil life reset. Alright, you see that? Well, we're gonna get it going. Alright, all we're gonna do is play with this button right here. Okay, if you press it, it goes in. Okay, whatever you select here in the option. Okay, so all we're gonna do is scroll down until you see vehicle settings. Press it to go in. Then you're gonna see that. Scroll down until you see maintenance info. Click maintenance reset service. Scroll up, reset, press it, reset completed. Alright, this is how you reset the oil life in this Acura. Please, I can't stress it enough. Subscribe to my channel. 90% of the people that I watch these videos are not subscribed to my channel. So please, I'm trying to run for president next year and reach the 1 million subscribers. So please help me reach my goal. Alright? There's nothing to lose. And it's for free. What else you want? I'm saying I do this. I'm saying, like I said, I'm gonna say it again. Say it again. I do this. I do it every day. This is what I do. Know what I'm saying? And this is it. I hope you like the video how to do the oil change and how to reset the oil life in this vehicle. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Destroy the subscribe button. Know what I'm saying? Hit the like button. And the feedback, put in the comment box for me. Oh, before I forget, I put 6 quarts of synthetic oil, 0W20. Alright, it's 3.5 liter engine, by the way. The funny thing is that I seen this Acura and Hondas with a 3.7 liter engine, and they all take 5 quarts. And now this 2019 3.5 liter engine take 6 quarts. You see the difference? That's crazy, huh? But it is what it is. Alright, I'm not gonna hold you up no more. I'll catch you up later, alright? Astu, boom. Hey, what? Hey!